Please like and subscribe to our channel. Leave your questions and feedback in the comments section. Enjoy the video.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Let's continue the second half of my podcast about the life of Hazrat Khadija. May Allah be pleased with her. So the year Hazrat Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, passed away is known in Islamic history as the year of sorrow to this very day. This was the value the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, gave to women. Hazrat Khadija's, may Allah be pleased with her, nobility of character and conduct pleased Allah the Exalted so much that He sent special greetings to her. This is recorded in Sahih Muslim number 6273. Their marriage is one in Islamic history that reflects a deep love, commitment and compassion. In fact, the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, continued to love and mention Hazrat Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, beyond the scope of her life. If women had no value in Islam, he would not have mentioned her over and over again. He clearly demonstrated that women have an irreplaceable role in society. The ease and grace with which Hazrat Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, carried out her role is something that many women today tend to struggle with. With changing expectations of society, many women today have struggled to define and manage their roles in life. In today's society, there is often a debate about choosing a career or motherhood, or facing the challenges of doing both. She had the honor of being a mother and raising children who became strong believers. She was a very successful businesswoman who helped to build a just society with courage and strong faith. This shows that this is possible. If a woman sticks to the teachings of Islam, like Hazrat Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, did, they too can find a good balance between religious commitments and the world. In what ways can we adopt Hazrat Khadija's, may Allah be pleased with her, principles and carry through this incredible women's legacy and educate our young women today? Remain dedicated to your life's goals. Hazrat Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, was faced with a number of trying circumstances, both before her acceptance of Islam and afterwards, but she pushed her way through them and became a devoted, strong supporter of Islam. Whatever you are dealing with in your own life, whether they are good times or bad, remember the Hadith found in Sahih Muslim number 7500, which advises that a Muslim is blessed in every situation. If something good happens, a Muslim thanks Allah, the Exalted, which causes them to become blessed further. And if something bad happens, they show patience, and this leads to reward also. This is what Hazrat Khadija, may Allah be pleased with her, perfected. When she faced good times during her life, she showed gratitude by supporting the poor. When she faced difficult times, like when she accepted Islam, she remained patient for sake of Allah, the Exalted. In each case, she was blessed.